All right, here we are with Mitch standing outside the Catalina Summit Series. Nice little mid-size RV. I like this.
Yeah, I mean, it's a great, I like to call this a great starter unit, right? So it's a 261 BHS. It's going to feature a super slide out with your dinette and sofa, double over double bunks. Catalina, I would consider it not necessarily like a little bit of step above your entry, a little bit better built. It's going to be, have cool lights, LED lights.
It's like a Raven here.
Yeah, it's got power awning, outside speaker, friction hinge door. Basically, what a friction hinge door is, a lot of them have a plastic clip that you have to hook on here to keep the wind from catching it. With this, you can go ahead and slam it. If the wind catches it, you don't have to worry about it.
I had to really push that. But yeah, there's a little work to it. It's not just free swinging.
No, I mean, you get a 30 mile per hour wind, it's not going to slam right up against the unit. It's going to slowly push it like this. So that's a nice thing. Solid entry steps. You got full pass-through storage up front.
A little bit of storage in the back here.
Yep. And then let's check out the inside.
Yeah,
let's go inside and we'll go over like the big features on the inside as well.
Lots of space right here in the main living area.
Yeah, right when you walk in, you're gonna notice it feels wide open. You've got a jackknife sofa, so that just basically just pull up on this. It goes down to a bed. You pull back up on it. Sofa.
Super
easy. It's got two little cup holders, so you can utilize it to sit or sleep.
Right.
Dinette goes down to a bed as well, and then notice how it doesn't have shag carpet.
Yeah, I like this. Yeah.
So I call this the hybrid. A lot of manufacturers are starting to go this. It's better for allergies. It doesn't tear up and fray like carpet does, and it's a lot easier to clean.
Okay.
As well.
You get your backer for TV. So where this is, you probably want to get the hinge thing so it comes out here so you can watch TV. But that's where your TV would go.
Yeah, basically they already put a block behind here so you can mount your TV and get a swing arm. Yeah. And then that'll swing around to your, so you're not getting a sore neck.
Right.
And then just plug right in, basically, is all you do.
Lots of counter space for like this area because of the fact they put it on a little bit of a bend. I like that.
And they undermount the sink. They put a higher rise faucet, residential style. You've got your microwave, so you can, basically cook everything right up top. You also have a 3-burner cooktop. They do a glass top on here to give you more counter space when not utilizing that. And then this has backlight, which is cool with your blue lighting. And there's no oven because a lot of people don't use their ovens. They'd rather have the storage. So then you've got all that extra storage underneath there as well. Big residential stainless steel front on your refrigerator. And then it's got a monster pantry. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's a lot of space in there.
Yeah, and it goes about 2 foot, 24 inches back by 2 foot, wide. So plenty of storage for your pantry and all your edibles. Double over double bunks, right? So instead of single 24-inch bunks, you've got the bigger bunks, so kids won't outgrow that. Multiple kids can sleep here if they're smaller. Yep. Storage underneath.
You got USB outlets for your devices.
Yep, and then it's got LED individual lights up there where you can push the button and turn them off and on.
Yeah. Let me take a look inside the bathroom.
Yeah, so you got a big square shower. So a lot of them are smaller showers. This has a lot of room. Basically gives you a bigger individual like myself. I'm 6'5", and I got plenty of room to get in there. You got a foot flush toilet, and then you've got a sink, and then you've also got your mirror and more storage down below the sink as well.
And then up front, you got the master bedroom.
Yep. So you've got a curtain on each side to separate off your bedroom. As you come in, what's nice about this is, yes, you've got hang closet on both sides. You've got storage up top all the way through, but you can also get at the foot. Most of this is butted right up against us. Yeah. So you can't get at the foot of the bed. This particular one, you can do that, which is a nice... A lot of, especially making the bed or trying to get around the bed, you don't have to walk all the way back out. And then they give you plenty of storage underneath, right? So you've got all that storage, and then you've got, your different utensils and everything underneath there as well.
Yeah. So there you go. Like I said, or like Mitch said, kind of a good entry level RV. It's not super big. It's not super tiny. How big of a vehicle you need to tow this?
Well, I would recommend, I was going to look at your weight right here. I think you've got your weight sticker. Hold on one second. Let me look at that real quick.
I'm going to look into it. But here's the deal. If you want an RV, today is the day to buy. I will tell you, they've got, this is a 2023, but they've got some 2022s, and they told me to let you know that they can give you a deal on the 2022s if you're looking to maybe spend a little less. They want to get rid of some of these 2022s. I was just telling them that you've got some 2022s that you're looking to discount.
Yeah, 2022s are all discounted out. They're getting rid of them at cost. All the 23s are on sale too. This trailer weighs 5,717 pounds.
Okay.
So half-ton truck, even SUVs can easily tow it. Rule of thumb is I like to try to keep you, right around 1,000 to 800 pounds. So as long as you can have something that pulls, 6,700 pounds, you should have no problem pulling this. Cool. So pretty good weight-wise and easy where a lot of different vehicles can tow it.
Great.
So
awesome. All right, so get hold of us and get into the RV of your dream. We got more coming up.